In this video, I'm going to give you 7 business ideas that can help you make money in 2019. And I'm going to share with you my #1 recommended way on how you can make a passive income and start your own business. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Jay Roberts, Geeky Dad, and this is Building My Empire, where I share with you daily videos on how to make money. But in this video, I'm going to show you 7 different business ideas that you can do and start in 2019. Some of the ways, guys, are #1, not in any particular order, but pet sitting service. Go and look after other people's pets. Not everyone wants to put them in the kennels or like the dog's home, so offer your services. Take them for walks. Look after them. You can create loads of like flyers and banners and that. You can get your friends, your kids, your family to help promote it and spread the word. Put them in shop windows. Go to local parks, hand out little business cards to people who's walking their dogs, yeah? Because when they're going away, like I do with my nephew, I go and look after his dogs, yeah? He goes away, I look after his dogs and earn like a little bit of money. So you can promote it on your social medias. You can make little videos of it on YouTube. Yeah, just get your word out there, guys. Put it on Craigslist, Gumtree, Loot, which is a local advertisement thing. There's lots of free ways that you can get your name out there, guys, and the more you do it, the more, if you do a good job, people are going to recommend you. Sorry guys, this is annoying. People keep sending me friend requests and I don't have a clue who they are. So yeah, get your name out there, guys. Look after other people's pets, because like I said, nobody wants to put them in a home for a week. I'm gonna have to turn that off, guys, because it's really annoying me. What about 600 people send a friend request? Yeah, that's 601. So yeah, guys, sorry about that. Pet sitting service, yeah. So look after other people's pets while they go away, or might be working through the day and they need someone to look after the pets. Take them for a walk, feed them. They might even give you a key for the house where you can stop over and look after it that way if they go away, or just for open up and let them out for a bit. Yeah, could be a couple of hours a day, could be all day. Yeah, so get your service out there. Now another one, guys, is Airbnb. Yeah, so you're offering your services. Yeah. So people can have experiences, yeah? And this can be anything. It can be your hobbies, your interests. It can be, you can just make loads of stuff up. Like, for instance, if they came here to Bolton in United Kingdom, I would take them up to, it's called Rivington Pike. I would take them up there on a hike, a nice little walk. Now, we've got a video of it, one of the first ever videos we've made on here with my sons and my friend. And yeah, I take them up there. Get them out, go and show them like local scenes. Go take them to the museum, take them to the local parks, take them down the river, go for a long walk. Yeah, you can even take them on nights out. If you've got some good local boozers, take them there, get them a few shots and that. Yeah, get them to buy you a few shots. Yeah, so people pay for that stuff, guys, because they don't want to be on their own, and sometimes they come to towns and cities, villages, different countries, and they don't have a clue where they're going or what to do, and they just stay in their hotels or in wherever they're sleeping. So people go on sites like that, and it's a good way of earning like a little bit of money, and gets you out and about, gets you to have a bit of fun as you're getting paid. Yeah, so that's one way, guys. And again, you can offer your services on a website called Airbnb. So look into that, guys. Gonna have some fun. Another one, guys, but this is a bit for like, it's a bit more physical, this one, and it's removal service. Yeah, so now when you think of that, you're automatically thinking of a driver, and you're probably thinking, well, I can't drive, and then you're thinking, and I don't have a van. But guys, that's not what it's about. This one's about helping the driver, yeah? Helping the remover, because I've done it in the past, guys, yeah? And I've been the driver, and I've helped someone move all on my own, because my friends, they disappear. When I need the help with something, they disappear. So I've got to do it all on my own, yeah? And my sons were too lazy at the time. Oh, sorry, they were too young at the time, yeah? So now, if I move, or I help someone to move, they're old enough now, there's no excuse, yeah? And lazy gets can help me, yeah? No, but all jokes aside, guys, yeah, help someone to move, because people need help, yeah? And it's not very, it's not a job like what everybody wants to do, so it's hard to get decent help. So offer your services, yeah? Create business cards, banners, logo, leaflets and that, go and hand them out, yeah? Ring up some local man in a van and offer your services to him. Yeah, put it in Craigslist, put it on Loot, yeah? It's advertising, get your name out there, guys, and the more you help, more people are going to want your help, yeah? And then if you can drive, start your own removal service, drive and do it all on your own. Get your kid for help you, pay some, get someone for help you, like advertise that and say I need a helper, yeah? Offer them a couple of quid, yeah? Go and move some people. Now another one, guys, is another like kind of fitness one, and it's a personal trainer. Now you might be thinking, I ain't qualified, but you don't have to be, guys, yeah? Offer your services, right? Not everybody has got friends who go to the gym. Not everybody has that someone to motivate them and that, yeah? So you buy them off buying your services, you can create stuff, yeah? You don't have to own a gym, guys. There's lots of stuff you can do. You can go outside, you can do go for walks, go for runs, yeah? Go for jogs, go sightseeing, but like it gets you out and it gets you fit. But you can also create like a little program and then go on the local park and do it, yeah? Now, someone might pay for you, and then they might think, oh, that was good, I'll tell my friend, yeah? Then you've got two people to train, two lots of income, right? Then they tell their friend, then people who walk in the dog see you, they come and ask you. Before you know it, guys, you've got 20 people all in front of you doing star jumps, yeah? How good's that? So, think about it, guys, and then you can offer your services on social medias, yeah? The power of social medias, yeah? You can promote in free places like Craigslist, yeah? Gumtree, offer your service, get out there, make banners, make logos, make little leaflets. Get your friends, get your family, get your sons and daughters to hand them out, yeah? Go in your local town, go to your local church, your local car boots, yeah? And just hand leaflets out, guys. Get your message out there. People want to get fit, but they ain't got the friends to do it, yeah? And then they might think, okay, that sounds good, I'll go for a local walk, I'll go for go do some I don't know, squats in the middle of the field, yeah? Think about it, guys. You know, it's a good idea, yeah? Now another one, guys, food delivery service, yeah? Now you're thinking, well, I'm not a cook or a chef, but you don't need me, guys, yeah? If you can cook, if you're creative, you can bake cakes or whatever, offer your services to people, because people, a lot of business people and a lot of well, I don't know, a lot of like professionals out there, they work long hours, so when they come home at night, they can't be bothered to cook, yeah? And they don't want to eat takeaways all the time. So if you offer home cooked meals, yeah, and then deliver it to them when set like a schedule, so they come home for 8 o'clock, they want it delivered for 9 o'clock, you can, or etc. You know, that's just an example, guys. But you can offer your services and do that, deliver it to them, so then they can enjoy a nice home cooked meal, yeah? And then if they enjoy it, they're going to keep ordering from you. They'll spread the word, you get more business, yeah? Before you know it, you're cooking to a lot of people, making lots of money. But you might not want to cook, you might want to bake, yeah? So you make a baking service, yeah? And you offer that. Now, I'm not saying people can come home from work and want to eat your cakes, but you can offer the same sort of, you offer your services, yeah? And they might think, okay, I'm having a party next week, I'll order a cakes, yeah? If they're good, spread the word, yeah? Make leaflets, make banners, promote it, guys, yeah? You see where this is going? All these jobs you can promote on social medias and in your local free services like Loot, Gumtree and Craigslist, yeah? And then, which brings me on to another one, guys, event planner, yeah? Then you're thinking, well, I don't want to be a wedding planner, it's too much hard work, and I don't want to ruin someone's day. Like, you don't have to, guys, but if you get good at it, you can become a wedding planner because it's an event, like, yeah? But what I'm thinking of, and what I thought about when I was a young single dad, I was thinking, create days out, yeah? Plan days out. Yeah, so create days out. I mean, when I was a single dad, well, still I'm a single dad, but when I was younger and I wanted to create days out and I wanted to take them on days out, there was no one to go with, so create days out. And then there's single parents out there who can't drive. Maybe you can take them with you. Maybe you can all, if you don't drive, you can all plan and share the journey, go on the train together, go on the buses together. But it's so much easier when there's more of you. So, and some people don't want to go on their own, so they don't go on days out, which means the kids lose out. So you book it, you plan it, they come with you, yeah. You could create a Facebook page about it, like days out, or mum's days out, dad's days out, yeah, family day out, and then just use your imagination, you create it on other social media sites, and create banners and logos and that, leaflets, hand them out to people, and yeah, charge a little bit of a fee, earn some money. Gets everyone out of the house, gets them to do new things, new experiences, maybe make some new friends along the way. Well, that's one of my I sort of like, guys, is the days out, the planned days out, because everyone wants a bit of fun, but not everyone's got friends or people to go with. So you create that, start your own little business. Now the last one, guys, is create your own clothes. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be the next Nike or Adidas or Under Armour, but if you create your own stuff, you've got like sites such as Teespring, Spreadshirt, amongst others, where you can go and design loads of different clothing, as well as like canvases and mobile phone covers. But this is more about creating clothes wise, this one, what I'm talking about now. So you create your own designs, put them into like a specific niche. Don't have loads of random ones. I mean, you can do, but if you go to like, if you narrow it down to a specific niche, then you can go to like different websites what are about that niche, and then you can message the author, the creator, yeah, and ask them, can you promote your stuff on their sites, yeah, or can they advertise on the YouTube channel, etc. Offer them a little bonus or a percentage of the sales, and 99% of them will probably say yes. So it'll get your name out there, get your brand out there, and when people start buying, then once you've used the influencers to promote your stuff, you can start doing it on your own then, guys. But until then, use influencers. Go on Instagram pages, comment, direct message them, go on Twitter, share your stuff all over your social medias, create videos about it, advertise it, wear the stuff. I mean, look at this, guys. I'm wearing ClickFunnels Funnel Hacker because I'm a funnel hacker. I promote ClickFunnels and they give me a free t-shirt. Yeah, cool, eh? Do you want one? Sign up to my link in the description, guys, and you'll get your own, as well as some cool stickers. But yeah, guys, go for it. Go and create your own brand, yeah? Become the next Versace, yeah? Become the next Tommy Hilfiger. So guys, that's just 7 ways how to make money, and I think there's some pretty cool ideas there. If I had to choose any of them myself, it would be the days out, because I love doing that stuff with my boys. Now they're getting a bit older, it's not as good. I mean, it is good, don't get me wrong, because they're older and you don't need friends and that. But when they was younger, it would have been nice to have like other parents, other like friends with kids and that. So just think about it, guys. There's lots of people out there who want that, but just can't do that. Another one I like is the Airbnb. You can create events for them to do. There's so much you can do, and if you ain't got many friends, then Airbnb, you can make friends as well as get paid. Happy days. And if you've got value out of this, guys, or if you've got any other ideas how you can make a little bit of side income, let me know in the comments, guys. Maybe I've missed it, or maybe I can use it in another video. Much appreciated. And let me know if you've got any value and if you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please subscribe to the channel, guys. Help me grow. And let me know your ideas as well. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. And don't forget to check out my #1 recommended way how to make money online, which is the first link in the description, and it shows you how to make some serious money and how to win some cool prizes such as mobile phones, iMacs, laptops, computers, cameras. The list goes on, guys, and how you can win your dream car. So click on the first link below, guys, and I will give you the free training that you need to earn that money. Yeah, guys. So that being said, I'm out of here because it's Saturday and I'm going to spend some time with my son. So thanks for watching, and I'm J Roberts, Geeky Dad, and this is Building My Empire, helping you to build yours. Goodbye.